Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 14th to 28th. First, I want to talk about the snow, which is not expected to be a big deal along the East Coast. Let's see if I have the models here. Okay, we can go to Saturday. Saturday night, here's a low pressure that begins to develop offshore. This is a GFS bringing snow. Even though the low is way down here, you can see it behind my image here. And then we go to Saturday night, and snow begins to end that Sunday evening. Now, the snow is forecast to be from strong dynamic forcing everything well to the northeast or northwest of the storm. So that way, we're going to look here now at the European deterministics. Have less snow. We're looking at the Canadian. Little bit of snow, not much. And now the NAM. Less snow, very light precipitation. So the GFS is the only one that's showing the snowfall, the greatest snowfall amounts. But it's not, again, it's not expected to be a big deal. Okay. All right, now we're going to get to the forecast. This is the forecast period for February 14th to the 18th. And this is what we have here. We have a ridge here of the East Pacific, the west, with a trough in the east. We also have a ridge here over the northern and western Atlantic. And we go to the end of the period. This is the 18th. And then we have a southwest flow that develops here later in the period across much of the east, almost as on a flow. But this is we're forecasting the pattern to look like. Now, during this period, we have we have a low that would develop and will draw moisture northward in the plains, and this will cause precipitation from the eastern plains Wednesday and Thursday. So we're going to take a look here at the surface or the upper air dynamics. Here's our upper low right here, and then it begins to lift north, go eastward, and then lifts northeastward. And Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday period. So we'll go to the Wednesday, Thursday period here. Here's the storm system here, and this will bring rain and thunderstorms across the southern areas of wintry precipitation to the north here. From the northern Central Rockies to the Midwest, Great Lakes, and the interior Northeast as we go through the period. See it right here? Then it lifts northeastward. This could be quite heavy rainfall across this area. This will be from Tuesday period, Wednesday, Thursday period, and into Friday. Now we're going to look at the period for February 19th to 23rd. And a ridge is forecast of the East Pacific, trough in the west, southwest flow or west southwest flow across the East Central states. Go to the 23rd, the end of the period. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 48 degrees above normal. And we have below normal temperatures here with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees below normal for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence of 35 to 45%. And we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. Looking ahead to the next period from February 24th to 28th. Region forecast of the Eastern Pacific, trough in the west. Ridge in the east, you can see right here very well. The pattern flattens. Here's a little bit of our trough. It's fairly weak, but all in all, near to above normal heights across the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for much of this region, and with the anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. And we have a chance of above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. I think this might be cut down, pushed further to the south and near normal to the north, but we'll see how that goes in the next forecast. So that's a long range weather forecast discussion for February 14th to 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.